Hello and welcome to Hairstyle TV. In today's video, my zodiac sign is going to decide my hairstyle. So let's get started with today's video. Hey, I'm Pallavi. Here on this channel, I create easy to do hairstyle tutorials. I even do hair care videos to solve your hair problems so that you can achieve all your hair goals. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. It's just to make sure that you get notified every time I upload a new video. This is going around on YouTube for a while now, and probably I am very late doing this video, but better late than never. So there are random pictures online which you can search, and they show your either hairstyle, makeup, outfit, I don't know what else, as per your zodiac sign. Okay, so I have two pictures which I picked up from Pinterest. So first very photograph has a couple of buns, and then second photograph also has a couple of buns, but it also has some different hairstyles, and I have picked this hairstyle up because all the hairstyles seemed doable, as I don't know my zodiac sign yet. Yes, is that crazy? So yes, I don't know my zodiac sign yet. We will find it right now together, but first let's talk about these pictures. The hairstyle for Pisces, Sagittarius, and Aquarius and Cancer. These two hairstyles seems pretty similar to me. But let's come to the hairstyle for Virgo and Capricorn. What is that? I have never seen anyone wearing that hairstyle. It's a bit crazy. Now going to the next hairstyle. The hairstyle for Aquarius and Cancer seems a little fancy, and the hairstyle for Taurus and Capricorn is an interesting one. Now let's get to online and find out what my zodiac sign is. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the first link here. Okay, so here it is asking for my birthday. My birthday comes in the month of Feb. Here, find out. Okay, so my zodiac sign is Aquarius, the water carrier. The key feature of Aquarius sign is curiosity and the ability of deep insight. Aquarius sign is the sign of geniuses. Since we know what my zodiac sign is, which is Aquarius, now let's go back to our pictures and see what our hairstyle is. So I'm gonna go to the Aquarius. Oh, an easy one which I seem to like. And then let's go to the second picture. Oh, we have got the fancy one. Now where I am gonna get those flowers from? Probably I'm not gonna use any flowers, and we'll figure that out how we are gonna do that hairstyle. Okay, so first, yes, I'm gonna do both the hairstyles, and first I'm gonna do the easier one, the hair bun, and then we will move on to the harder hairstyle. So let's get started. Okay, so first, it seems she has a middle parting. So I have already combed my hair, and if there is any sound in the background, I'm sorry for that. Okay, so I have already combed my hair, and I'm gonna do a middle parting. Today's video, I'm not gonna use any heat or any hair product. Okay, so I'm gonna separate my band first. So yeah, I have not talked about corona in my previous videos because I thought it's everywhere and I don't need to include it in my videos. But since today's video is a chit chat video and we all are in a lockdown, we cannot ignore that. But I'm not gonna talk about the stats and data. Let's talk what you guys are doing while you are in your home. I know those who work are mostly working from home. I'm gonna grab some bobby pins to secure my bun in place. But you guys, those who are in college, what you guys are doing while you are in home, while you are at home. So I'll tell you what I am doing. Some bobby pins to fix that in place. Okay, so I have decided while I'm at home, I'm gonna read more than I usually do. And yeah, I'm thinking focusing to create more interesting content for you guys. Talking about content, while we are in lockdown, we are doing a hair challenge. I have a hair challenge for you guys which has started already. If you want to know more about it, you can check out my Instagram. I post there daily and you can do this challenge and tag me there on Instagram. I like this hairstyle, but I'm not sure if I will go out of my house with my hair like this. What do you guys think about this hairstyle on me? Let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, so let's move on. We are done with our first hairstyle and now let's move on to the second hairstyle. Okay, so what I was talking about, so while we are in lockdown, I am creating more content for you guys. I have decided to read more than I usually do. So I have finished one book and started another one on the right side. So if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel by clicking on my channel icon right here. I will see you in my next video. Until then, don't forget to love your hair. Bye. Oh, I'm back. I finished the video and then I remember one more thing which I wanted to do is today I'm wearing white and I'm just curious what my zodiac sign outfit color would be. So let's quickly search that on internet and then we will end this video out. Okay, quickly gonna go on Google and then look for zodiac sign outfit color. Let's see if any pictures come up. There is one which shows the color for a gown, but let's see. So I'm Aquarius and Aquarius has white. What? No, I didn't expect that.